Alright, what's poppin', Jimbos? Today we have something new with the Golf. We have new turbo inlet, something small. It's gonna be a quick one. Been looking at these for a while. This seems to be the biggest one. It has like bigger bore. All of them are rounded here. I decided to go with Unitronic because they seem to have the nicer one. It was also on sale for like 60 bucks. I got this 90 bucks during their deals, so it's pretty nice. So let's slap it on. Yeah, we got a stock boy 1.8. Only thing I have done is a Forge Motorsport turbo muffler, and then this is going to be done. Next is going to be Forge's air intake. I'm really excited for that. This beautiful thing. We'll show you before and after. All we got to do is actually disconnect here. On ECS, he straight up took this off, disconnected the fucking, like, all these gauges. It isn't that hard. We're gonna try to take this off. If we can't, we're just gonna wing it. So I'm gonna take the beat.
What do we say in every fucking video, dude?
Look at the beat.
Every video.
Getting up close.
It is. We get some type of fucking animal.
Dude, he's chilling. What's he doing? Is he dying?
I think so.
Oh, is his wing wet? Or his wings wet and he just fucked?
You guys got a knife?
Are you gonna dissect him?
Yeah.
Oh, my car. What the hell is that? That looks like an elephant's nose. Alright guys, this is gonna be the easiest turbo elbow install. One hose, not even taking this off. Golf boys, if you have a problem with this, don't even take it off. Just go like that, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna be okay, little harness. And then the next step is one little bolt. It's literally one. If you need to go to the store, go to the store, motherfucker. Come on, you can do it. T30. Now what we must do is the shimmy. Oh, that was easy. Okay, now here comes the hard part.
That's way bigger than the one.
Look at that shit! This is where we're at now. So all we gotta do is take this off. What we're gonna try to do here is grab some type of, like the thinnest flathead we can get, apply it under there, and then pull it. Alright boys, this is the hardest part. You're gonna probably need a friend. So I just got flathead, nice little flathead. Flat Stanley head.
Let's see if it works. This might be the trick.
Can you pull it on there?
Pull this?
Yeah. You have to like pull it this way because it's open on that side as well. Just hold it, yeah. So this? Or do we break it? Yeah, that's it.
Did you break it? Was that the trick?
No, we got it. There's nothing on it. There's nothing.
Nice.
A little blood, it's okay.
What's the stuff?
It happens.
It was right here.
It was right here? Wait, what do you mean?
What are you talking about? What did you look for? Oh.
Alright guys.
5 head.
Look how much bigger.
Yeah, we got it out. This might not come through on camera, but this thing's pretty big. This thing is tiny. The comparison's crazy. So I'm really excited. So we just flipped over the O-ring. That's the only thing you need to do now. O-ring right there, so it goes on the top there. It's so easy to install. I literally use that same flathead.
It's right here. It went right around
It's upside down.
this side right here. So you have to swap them onto the new one.
So this is the breather valve that you're gonna connect back right here. Okay. So before I show you that, this is actually the turbo outlet or inlet right here. So it's always good to, for your turbine. Yeah, it's a little hot in there, so I'm not gonna do that actually. But yeah, it's always, you know, it's always good to flex, feel up. Oh, there you go. You hear that? Yeah, you just went in. You have to push it really hard.
It makes it easier if you put the breather valve.
Yeah, the valve in first because it's a pain in the ass. So you need to lift it up and then push it right there.
There you go. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's...
Alright. All you need to do now is make sure this bolt goes in nice. Don't drop it in your fucking engine bay. Yeah, tighten that hose.
Oh, bless you.
Blessed thy day. Blessed art thou, good sir.
Now, reinstallation. Just put that hose over.
What was it?
It's right here. On there.
Oh, that one right there.
Yeah, it'd be easier to. Yeah, that's what was on it. Loosen it a little more.
Yo, no diffuser challenge.
Oh, because it's a bigger pipe, so
No
you
diffuser
actually
challenge?
need more. Holy shit. That's sick. Wait.
Bam. This thing is sick.
It was hella loose before.
Gang.
Alright boys, it's in. You will have to loosen the bolt for this a lot more because the inlet part of the Unitronic turbo levels is fat.
Yeah, so don't
Thick
think that
ass.
you're gonna get it on just by...
Slip it around, you gotta loosen that hoe up.
Yep.
Extend your pipe. You gotta make your pipe bigger if you wanna get in that Unitronic, you know what I'm saying?
What he said. Whatever that means.
Good, you think?
Good, you think?
Let's go for a ride, buddy.
Let's go for a ride, buddy. Make sure everything's good, everything's on right. Do you hear any leaks? You tighten it good, the bolt? Oh yeah. Nope. I want to hear it. Okay. I want to hear it.
Dude, you should leave your license plate like that. You're spinning, you're winning.
That's a super
It sounds good.
Sounds like a fat sucker. Shit, 5,000. What the freak? Is this guy trying to race? No, just go up to the top.
I was gonna do a donut.
Little
drift.
The house up here insane.
Dude, what the fuck? Holy shit.
No, once you take a left up here, look at this. This is all like one half.
Holy shit. This is a castle. Nah, you go on top of it.
Actually, bro, what the fuck?
Oh, this is a roundabout up here. Here, bro.
Scenic view.
Someone with, I think we know right now.
AMG.
Get up there.
Sus.
After the street.
Beautiful here. That's Wisconsin.
That's Wisconsin? Oh, no. No, you have to wait. You have to wait. Just sit here and wait.
You might spin, bro. You're probably gonna spin.
Just sit here and
Yeah,
wait.
I'm gonna
Just sit
spin
here and
all
wait.
over.
No, wait.
Do it in the middle.
So much.
Do it in the middle.
Wait till that car leaves.
Lady's looking at us.
This is go.
Yeah, she is.
No, she's not. She's literally looking at her dog.
She's looking at us.
Go!
Afternoon, sir.
Kindergartners go wild.
Gabe, don't hit that school bus.
Gabe!
Alright, boys. This is another one. We're done here. We're gonna get a few revs. Let's hear it, Johnny. Yeah, that concludes this one. Subscribe for more. We have more coming. Posts have been a little off, but we're getting them out whenever we can. We do have a lot of things special for the GT. And check in for this. We got some tilty action, something coming here. And that concludes that.